Good morning everyone. So checking out the recent build from TWD4x4, we've got the Option X front bar for the Raptor X. This one you can integrate a double row 30-inch light bar. They've gone with the Vico Industries blackout light bar. It's winch compatible, customer hasn't gone the winch, but everything else, what you're getting as standard is the Option X bash plate. The recovery points will, the factory recovery points will transfer over just nicely. We've got the race line wheels on the factory BFGs. Nice setup there, no requirement to change suspension. Factory height, all good to go. Okay, so let's just run around the back. We've rolled with the Option 4-wheel drive Fighter rear bar. It's a nice aggressive look, matches the front as well with the Option 4-wheel drive bar. Comes with your LED tube lights, obviously rated to your vehicle 2500 for the Raptor. Got the TWD4x4 roof rack, also integrated a couple more blackout light bars, one here at the back from Vico Industries and one at the front as well. Nice way to finish things off.